make crustless quiche. Everybody, and welcome to Ayesha's Unique Cuisines, Sheti's Cuisine du Monde, a platform whereby we cook cuisines around the world. I'm going to show you how to make crustless quiche. Recipe: we need some olive oil, 2 large chayote or 1 large chayote, some frozen peas, 2 large onions, some bacon, parsley, pepper seasoning, salt, black pepper, 4 large eggs. Let's proceed. The pan on fire, and I'm gonna start off by cooking my ham. Just to brown this for 5 minutes. So we're just gonna saute this so it's nice and golden. Starts to cook, it reduces in size. This callaloo, simply because I don't want it to overcook, because then it becomes very chewy and we wouldn't want that. We don't have jaws for that, so we're gonna remove this. I'm just gonna saute our onions, 2 large onions. So it's gonna reduce in size once it starts to soften up. So we're gonna leave this. A quarter teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, teaspoon of black pepper. Mix this just to season the onions. I don't need to add salt at this point, because remember, we started off with the bacon, which has considerable amount of salt, so that should do. And you can see that it's reducing in size as it starts to soften up. The onions stew down a bit. I'm happy with how the onions are looking. I'm just gonna do the chayote now. Goes the chayote. Saute this for 5 minutes so it's nice and soft. For the chayote to be nice and soft, I'm just gonna briefly season the egg. So just some black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, dried parsley, just for the color, crunch in the chayote. So I'm just gonna incorporate in the green peas. Roasting green peas. Just infuse this together with the rest of the chayote. Coat it with the seasoning for 2 minutes. In goes the onions. Just gonna mix this in. I'm gonna add in the bacon. How it's looking, I'm just gonna beat the egg so that all the spices will be well mixed. I'm gonna gently spread the beaten egg over this nicely. Sprinkle a bit of